fragmentation is holding us back in Africa in terms of achieving the goals that we have in financial inclusion and economic development. So when you compare Africa to Europe specifically, when it comes to regulation, in Europe, for instance, today you can get a license and passported across Europe. You cannot do that in Africa. There are fragmentations. There are different, basically, policies and regulations in different economic and monetary zones that we have to navigate. And any player like us who wants to be present in a Pan-African play has to really navigate these different regulations and be an expert in every regulatory and compliance requirement. Africa is still very cash heavy, and the competition is really cash, and the more choices you give to customers, the better, because we are still seeing the tip of the iceberg in terms of digitization of the economy in general. So what we saw during the pandemic and the COVID time was that there was a shift in usage behavior, and a lot of people started embracing digital wallets, mobile money services, and we saw a surge in usage of those digital channels because physical channels were not available. What we were all very scared and skeptical about was that will we see this continued kind of growth and usage after the pandemic in a post-pandemic era? So far what we see is that the growth rates are even higher than pre-pandemic days. Obviously that surge is over, which shows that some of the shift that happened is going to stay. But for you to fundamentally shift the usage from cash to digital, you really need to focus on financial literacy, ensuring that you can show the benefits of moving to formal and digital channels to users that are not literate or tech savvy. So for us, Money 2020 is a key event. We get to showcase what we do across Africa in a continent that there's a lot of fragmentation, and where fragmentation is holding a lot of African consumers and businesses back. We've been very busy. Our booth was one of the busiest booths. We had a lot of leads, people who really want to connect the diaspora or their businesses to connect from, to exchange and have that bridge between Africa and Europe or US. So it's good to bring and showcase our innovation to Europe. And also it's good to also connect with our existing clients, our valued clients, and talk about our partnership and how we can broaden it further.